There's a lot more to Holland than clogs in the red light district. It's actually one of the greenest cities in the world, some of the most welcoming and friendly and relaxed people you'll ever meet. I'm here in Amsterdamse Bos, which is a big park. Pretty sure it's not pronounced like that, but that's the best Dutch that I can do. I'm going to be interviewing a couple of people who work on the goat farm selling organic food. These are the people that I really think make a difference in Dutch culture. What do you do here? Like,
I sell nuts. Sell only organic nuts, and that's a new thing in Holland.
My name is Willem Kwaak. For 5 years I'm selling organic cheese, and just at the moment we are Saturday at the goat farm.
Okay.
Well, the people who buy here are for organic food. Otherwise they won't pay more than from a grocery store. But I think organic food is, hoe zeg je dat? More to life. Yeah, it's more healthy. It's nicer to.
Do you think places like this make a difference to people?
I think this is unique. I think this is nice, a nice thing, because of this a company who makes just it's a farm, and they make money from the goats, but they do at the same time amusement for the people and maybe education. So this is a nice concept.
Yes, of course. So it's for the environment, for the people, for their health. That's important.
Yeah. Okay. And places like this, do you think it's a good representation of Dutch culture?
Very good. Yes. You can see it with the visitors, with the children, and absolutely. But this, the organic food is coming up. Yeah.
This park and the goat farm on it really make a difference to people in the local area, as well as all over Amsterdam. The 3 organic farmers interviewed are really passionate about organics, changing the way people think about food, the environment and each other. And this is where I think people really make a difference.